In the vast field of neuroscience, new discoveries and technologies are constantly emerging, significantly advancing our understanding of the human brain. One such advance is the concept of NeuroQuiet. But what exactly is NeuroQuiet, and why has it generated so much interest? If you're interested in learning more about the supplement and find yourself in a state of doubt, you've come to the right place. This is the channel, The Best Products for Your Health, and we help in the indication and discovery of great products that can help in your life and health. First, I want to mention something important. NeuroQuiet is only sold on the official website. If you're interested in buying it, it's crucial that you pay attention to where you purchase it from. I'm leaving a link to the official website in the description of this video for this reason. Furthermore, buying directly from the official website gives you access to exclusive promotions, guarantees, and more effective customer support. NeuroQuiet is a methodology that aims to reduce mental noise and promote inner calm. It focuses on regulating brain activity and minimizing hyperactivity in the central nervous system, which is often associated with stress, anxiety, and other mental health conditions. Marketed as a natural hearing supplement, NeuroQuiet is designed to work with the body's systems to reduce hearing strain and calm the nervous system. According to its creators, the supplement can reduce the perception of tinnitus, promote clearer hearing, and stimulate mental calm by addressing auditory nerve stress and promoting neurological balance. With carefully selected ingredients, NeuroQuiet contains herbal extracts and nutrients known for their positive effects on the nervous system. These include melissa, passionflower, and magnesium, which calm the mind and improve sleep quality. Users report that regular use of NeuroQuiet reduces the sensation of tinnitus and improves focus and concentration, allowing for more effective mental performance in daily activities. Additionally, its natural formula is designed to be gentle on the body and reduce the likelihood of side effects. NeuroQuiet is recommended as part of a balanced lifestyle that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and relaxation practices, such as meditation or yoga. Thus, it positions itself as a valuable tool for those seeking a holistic approach to mental and hearing health. The recommended dosage of collagen refresh varies by manufacturer but is generally 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, depending on need and professional advice. The supplement can be added to water, juice, or another drink. Stir well until dissolved, and then consume. The natural supplement NeuroQuiet is a liquid that is easy to spray on. Each 30 ml bottle provides a 1-month supply. The solution should be applied under the tongue. It is recommended that you use it twice in the morning and 4 times before bed. For optimal results, however, users should take this supplement for at least 3 months. For long-term benefits, use this formula for 6 months. If you are not satisfied with your results after taking NeuroQuiet for a few days, please know that each bottle comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. This policy is designed to give customers peace of mind, ensuring they can try the product without financial risk. If NeuroQuiet does not meet your expectations for any reason, simply contact the customer support team. I really hope this video has helped you, and that the NeuroQuiet product can help you with whatever you need. And if you want to receive more content about products, subscribe to the channel, The Best Products for Your Health. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.